Welcome to the transformative world of healing frequencies. Imagine if pain relief, DNA repair, and enhanced intuition were just a sound wave away. Today we'll explore how sound therapy can profoundly impact your well-being, aligning you with the natural rhythms of the universe. The science of sound frequencies. Sound is more than just vibrations in the air. It's a powerful tool that influences our physical, emotional, and spiritual health. Different frequencies have unique effects on the body. 174 Hz is known for pain relief. 528 Hz facilitates DNA repair and transformation. 741 Hz awakens intuition and promotes self-expression. These frequencies resonate with our cells and tissues, promoting healing and balance. Frequency in everyday life. Frequencies aren't just limited to sound therapy, they surround us in daily life. From cell phones to microwaves and music, frequencies impact our health. Positive frequencies can benefit our bodies, while negative ones can cause disruptions. Understanding and harnessing the power of frequencies can improve our overall well-being. Restoring balance. When your frequency is off, it can lead to physical and emotional imbalances. Here are ways to restore harmony. Sound therapy. Listen to soundtracks designed for specific frequencies. 174 Hz for pain relief, 285 Hz for healing tissues and organs, 396 Hz for liberating from fear and guilt, 417 Hz for undoing situations and facilitating change, 432 Hz for harmonizing with the universe, 528 Hz for DNA repair and transformation, 639 Hz for enhancing relationships, 741 Hz for awakening intuition, 852 Hz for spiritual awareness, 963 Hz for higher consciousness. Mindfulness practices. Meditation or yoga helps align your body's rhythms with the universe. Healthy lifestyle. A balanced diet, hydration, and regular exercise support your natural frequency. Reduce exposure to negative frequencies. Limit time on electronic devices and take breaks to avoid electromagnetic frequency impacts. Unlocking vibrational healing. Harnessing the power of sound frequencies can lead to profound changes in your physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. By integrating these frequencies, you can liberate yourself from fear, facilitate positive change, and harmonize with the universe. Start your journey today and unlock the secrets of vibrational healing. Additional healing frequencies. Explore the extended spectrum of healing frequencies for various benefits. 108 Hz, cosmic order and clarity. 111 Hz, spiritual awakening and divine healing. 123 Hz, promoting safety and security. 136 Hz, stimulating creativity. 144 Hz, transcendence and spiritual elevation. 1744 Hz, clearing negative energy. 181 Hz, balancing and energizing. 200 Hz, confidence and personal power. 220 Hz, grounding and stability. 256 Hz, enhancing mental focus. 2856 Hz, cellular regeneration. 313 Hz, deep relaxation and stress reduction. 333 Hz, alignment with divine love. 369 Hz, connecting with the higher self. 4177 Hz, expanding consciousness. 4322 Hz, facilitating emotional healing. 476 Hz, enhancing intuition. 5288 Hz, manifesting abundance. 612 Hz, awakening potential. 714 Hz, accelerating spiritual development. 778 Hz, balancing the energetic body. 821 Hz, awakening the soul's purpose. 879 Hz, encouraging forgiveness. 918 Hz, balancing chakras. 996 Hz, facilitating personal transformation. 1080 Hz, opening the heart. 1155 Hz, attuning to angelic guidance. 1245 Hz, balancing energies. 1,333 Hz, aligning with higher consciousness. 1,421 Hz, clearing blockages. 1,518 Hz, enhancing mental clarity. 1,616 Hz, amplifying manifestation. 1,717 Hz, promoting deep healing. 1,827 Hz, balancing emotions. 1,941 Hz, facilitating soul integration. 2,055 Hz, awakening inner wisdom. 2,178 Hz, opening divine communication channels. 2,309 Hz, activating the subconscious mind. 2,448 Hz, connecting with higher dimensions. 2,594 Hz, enhancing self-awareness. 2,756 Hz, amplifying manifestation. 2,913 Hz, stimulating deep healing. 3,079 Hz, aligning the energetic body. 3,253 Hz, facilitating mental clarity. 3,435 Hz, awakening higher consciousness. 3,627 Hz, promoting spiritual transformation. 3,828 Hz, enhancing psychic perception. 4,038 Hz, harmonizing mind, body, and spirit. 4,258 Hz, activating talents. 4,488 Hz, promoting relationship harmony. 4,728 Hz, awakening the heart chakra. 4,978 Hz, facilitating emotional healing. 5,237 Hz, amplifying intention and manifestation. 5,506 Hz, harmonizing the chakra system. 5,785 Hz, stimulating creativity. 6,074 Hz, aligning with divine guidance. 6,374 Hz, promoting peace and relaxation. 6,685 Hz, opening spiritual communication. 7,006 Hz, enhancing self-discovery. 7,338 Hz, facilitating energetic purification. 7,680 Hz, balancing the aura. 8,033 Hz, stimulating mental focus. 8,398 Hz, awakening manifestation power. 8,774 Hz, aligning energy meridians. 9,161 Hz, connecting with higher consciousness. 9,560 Hz, enhancing psychic perception. 9,969 Hz, awakening spiritual abilities. 10,389 Hz, promoting mental healing. 10,820 Hz, aligning with unconditional love. 11,262 Hz, amplifying transformation. 11,715 Hz, stimulating relaxation. 12,178 Hz, releasing limiting beliefs.